Today we are previewing the Wordless book, Hike by Pete Oswald, the #1 New York Times best-selling illustrator. Wordless books are awesome because you can tell the story yourself, either in your head or out loud with a friend or a family member. Stay tuned after the video for post-reading questions and activity ideas for drawing and writing that you can do at home or school for free fun. For more free learning resources and read-along videos, visit laurenmartinbooks.com or like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books below for more read-along videos. You can also click the link below the video to buy the paperback or hardcover version of this book for a friend or loved one. Now let's read Hike by Pete Oswald. What did the boy and his dad do? What happened first, next, then, and last? What was the setting of the story? When and where did it happen? And how did the setting change throughout the story? Describe the characters. Describe a conflict or problem that happened in the story and how it was resolved. How did the story end? Look closely at the illustration on this page and think back to what happened in the book and tell me how all of those trees ended up on the top of that mountain. What is something you like to do with your family members? What is a special tradition you would like to start with your family members? How could you record your special memories with your loved ones to share for yourself and people in the future? Draw or write about what happened in the book and your favorite scenes and how you can apply this book to your own life. You can list or draw things you would like to do with your family or traditions you would like to start. In the book, they plant a tree at the top of the mountain where they hiked, and so did the family members that came before them. back into the olden days so that they planted an entire grove of pine trees. What tradition can you start with your family? Write or draw about it with your loved ones and find time to do it every week, month, or year. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for more books and free learning resources and principal or play-based preschool curriculum. Click the link below the video to buy this beautiful book for a friend or loved one. Thank you for reading with me.